The world's most versatile camera goes to 11, get incredible highlight videos sent to your phone automatically with the HERO11 Black. Its new larger image sensor captures more of the scene with higher image quality, letting you instantly share vertical shots to social media. HyperSmooth 5.0 features AutoBoost and Horizon Lock built in, ensuring your smoothest, most stunning shots yet. New night effects let you get creative after dark, and 10-bit color brings all your videos to life. All this and more make HERO11 Black the most powerful GoPro yet. Get dramatically improved camera performance in cold temperatures, while also extending recording times by up to 38% in moderate temps over previous GoPro cameras and batteries. Water-repelling lens cover keeps your shots crystal clear and stunning whenever things get wet. Dual LCD screens, get smooth snappy playback on the super responsive rear touch screen and flip to the front screen to frame selfies. HyperSmooth 5.0 raises the bar for in-camera video stabilization, giving you impossibly smooth footage no matter how rough it gets. With HyperSmooth 5.0, HERO11 Black automatically determines the level of video stabilization you need based on your speed and movement for the smoothest, widest shots possible. Your horizon will stay level even if the camera tilts while recording. And now that Horizon Lock is a built-in part of HyperSmooth 5.0, it's easier than ever to keep the horizon steady and consistent when your camera rotates a full 360 degrees. HERO11 Black makes capturing unbelievable image quality super simple. Get a professional look for everything you shoot with 3K video at 60 FPS. And you can share your high-resolution videos to social media with ease. This HERO11 digital lens takes the 8:7 aspect ratio footage served up by the new image sensor and delivers it as a wide-angle 16:9 shot. The result is ultra-immersive video, giving every point of view shot an epic feel. Never worry about timing the perfect shot. It's super easy to grab high-resolution, ready to share, and frame-worthy photos right from video. Catch details you'd never see at normal speeds, slow things way down to 8x slow-mo while keeping ridiculously high 2.7K video resolution. Or ramp up the resolution to 4K at 4x slow-mo. Use the Earth's rotation and stars to capture beautiful light trails across the night sky. Create brilliant brush stroke effects with moving light. Use nighttime traffic to record stunning light trail footage. Set the time to record with scheduled capture. Now you can sleep in plus get that sunrise time lapse.